Welcome back, my dear all student. Today we're gonna discuss about image map. Image map it help us actually to make a certain area of your image clickable. It's actually depending on your
requirement.
The idea behind an image map is that you should be able to perform different action depending on where in the image you click. Say for example, for at this image, if you want to click on only on this laptop, like from here to here in this area, you can do that. And you want to see some certain other list of laptop on into other page, you can link that page by clicking this area only. On the other hand, also if you want to see this cup into another page, you want to link the other page with this certain area of this image, you can do that. So image map helping us to do that actually. You can do that image mapping depending on the sizes of the image. Like if you want to do the rectangular size of an image area clickable, you can do that. So it's called shape of the image, like rect. By doing this, by putting the rect code into the image map attribute, you can do that. So it's actually on image map there is 4 different shape by which actually you can use those shape to determine the certain area of that image clickable. The rectangular means a rectangular, by the name you know what does it mean. And the circle means in the circle area of any image you want to make clickable, you can do that. And the poly area, poly means the poly area of that certain image, you want to make it clickable, you can do by putting this code. Once you see the code, you will understand. And default means if you want to make the whole image clickable, you can just leave it like that. You don't need to put any code or anything. It will be by default, the whole image will be clickable. So what are the code actually for doing the image mapping? Mainly the map, HTML map tag, and HTML area tag will help you to do that certain functionality. Let's go to start the example by doing in practical. So I have prepared this code for image mapping today, and in this example you will see how does it work, that code. As you can see, to insert any image onto your page, you can use this tag, image tag. And this one I think most of the student already knows. The image search image, this is the image folder, that my folder into my laptop, and inside this folder I have a image name called imagemap.jpg, and I have used an important code, new code, it's called usemap. So usemap actually using to link the image search image code with the map of that image. So first you need to select the image, which image you need to make it clickable. Then you need to decide the area, select the area of that certain image that you want to make it clickable. Here, as you can see, and also you need to prepare the image map code first before you make it clickable of that certain image. So the code of doing the mapping is from here to here. As you can see, the code called map is got attribute called name. So this name is image map, has to be same like use map here. See, the both name are same, and just in front of here we have used just hashtag. That's the code, that's the required code that you need to put to make it connect this map, this whole map with this whole map with this image. So here I can show you the picture, that then you will understand here. And also you can see the area after this code map. It's saying the area shape rect means rectangular. So I'm going to make the rectangular area clickable of that image. So which area of the image would be rectangular? These four number is saying that area. So let's see what is this phone number is mean into the image. The image is here. So what I did here, as you can see, 3444. 34 means from the left the area 34 pixel from the left towards right, and 44 means the y-axis from the top towards bottom. So if I can put the cursor here, and you can see at the bottom left corner it's saying 3444. If I move it, the number is changing. As you can see at the bottom, far left corner, that 2 number is moving. So I have decided that this point would be the first point of the rectangular, and the other point would be this point, which is 268346. I think in this case I select different point. Yeah, in this case I selected 270350, which is this point, I believe. Yes, 350. No, not this. 27. Yeah, this is the one. This is the point that I have decided somewhere here, very nearby. Now it's not showing exactly, but it is here actually. 270350. So as you can see from here, if you just click and drag, you'll see this size is saying that it's a rectangular size. So to select this from here to here, this rectangular area of this image, you can use this code. Codes means coordination. So 34 44 270 350, and now in this area you have to put the link that what you actually going to do after user has clicked on that area. What will gonna happen? It will gonna pop up the page called rectangle.html, which is already prepared. I have already prepared into my folder. By this code I have connected that rectangular area with this page. And in the second code you can see that is saying that area shape circle. So it will work as a circle shape. So on the circle shape, what is codes mean? Inside the codes, as you can see, 340 299 44. So 340 actually meaning the x, and 299 meaning y-axis. 340 how far is that x-axis? It is here. As you can see, um, this point 340 and 299. That means little bit up, 299. Look at the left bottom far and left corner. Yeah, it is exactly this point. 340 299. Yes, yeah, exactly this point I meant by this coding 340 299. And 44 means the radius around that point. So if I select this point, 44 means the radius from this point around everywhere. It will go 44 pixel, 44 pixel, 44 pixel. So it will make this area circle clickable by this code. I hope you understood. And by clicking that certain circle area, what will gonna happen? It will gonna link to a page called circle.html, which already been created and linked with this page. So if I show you right now in the example, I mean on the Chrome or Internet Explorer, you'll understand. So let's go to that page I have created. Yeah, this is the page actually. So here this image is showing on Google Chrome browser because of this code. Bear in mind, because of this code. And this picture has connected with the image map by using this code, use map and image map. What is image map? Image map is the name of the image mapping, which is here, from here to here. The whole things, the name of this is image map. So this image map is linked with this image by this code here. So because of that, it is showing. And now as you can see, if I just click on it, make it refresh, now you will see that the hand cursor changed to hand, from arrow to hand. If you take it outside, not gonna show that, it's not clickable. If you put on the top of the laptop, it's showing that it's actually clickable. And now if you take it outside here and put on the glass, it's clickable, but outside is not clickable. Now if you click, it will take me the page that I told you on the code is rectangular.html. So this page actually not the previous pages, this is the page is called rectangular.html. Let's go back again, click on the cup, and this is the page, it's called circle.html, which is this one. So I hope you understand now what does the image by is doing, and it is actually very important to design a website, link certain things, doing certain things by using the image mapping. Okay, now I hope this lesson will help you to understand that how to make your image clickable for on a certain area, whether it is rectangular, oval or triangular, or any on any shape. So feel free to ask me any question if you have. If you don't understand, I'll do my best to reply you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more further lessons on web designing and developing. Be well, be good, have a good time. Bye bye.